Hello! Today we mainly introduce the equipment, introduction of potato starch, whole powder processing, and the production equipment of Henan Jinrui Food Engineering Technological Company Limited. In the entire production process of starch, there are three sections: cleaning, processing, and also drying. The equipment needed in the cleaning section includes dry sieve machine, paddle washing machine, and the squirrel cage washing machine. The machinery need in the processing section includes cutter, rasper, centrifuge machine, dry sieve machine, fine residue sieve, desander, hydrocyclone, and the scraper centrifuge. So the equipment needed in drying step is a hot blast stove, plus tube, and a rotary vibrating screen. The cleaning section of whole powder is the same as the starch, and the processing section is slightly different. Peeling machine, cutter, rasper, desander, plate and frame dehydrator. Drying is the same as the starch. I will explain this machine equipment in detail by combining our company's brochure. So welcome everyone. And you know that our company named the Dongying Group. That means what? That means that our company have. Oh wait a moment. And you know what? You know, our company named the Henan Jinrui Company. And yes, we belong to the Doing Holding Group. And let me introduce our company at first. So you can see this picture is a company show. They are our group, and we have many different type of the job. You're beautiful. Thank you. Practicing English. Right. What does it do? Does it extract starch from potato? Yes, that's true. Today I am introduced about our company, and our company is doing at the starch and also powder for cassava, and also for the gari fufu, this kind of powder. So first of all, let me introduce our company. How can I make money if the machine breaks down here in Los Angeles? Oh, you are in Los Angeles, right? And yeah, I want to introduce that we have a company in Nigeria, and if you need this machine, we have the overseas companies. It can deliver more faster, and we also have technological technological How much is the machine? Yes, if you want to know how much about this machine, that you can leave your message in our in the commentary maybe, and you can also leave your phone number or WhatsApp number in a private way. Okay. I will tell the salesperson to contact with you. Do you deliver in the Netherlands? Right. We can, but if you really need it, please call me. Leave your WhatsApp in the commentary, okay? Whoa, so many people today. Do you deliver to Netherlands? Okay, so first let me tell you about the cassava flour processing technology. Here is our 3D picture about this processing line. Let me have a look. Yeah, look at this picture. This picture is show about the cassava, how to processing a tuberous starch line of cassava. First, here is a feeding hopper. You can put the cassava in the feeding hopper, and under the hopper here is a shaker. Shaker will shake the cassava on the belt conveyor, and then the belt conveyor will send the cassava to the dry sieve machine. Dry sieve machine can sieve down the debris, impurities on the cassava, and then go to the paddle washing machine. This machine can totally washing the cassava, and also it can clean it very good. Maybe, and next is going to the cutting machine to cut the cassava in the small pieces. And then it will go to the rasper machine to rasper the cassava milk, and then the cassava milk will go to the centrifuge sieve to save out the residue in the cassava, and then go to another sieve named the fine fiber sieve to fiber out the more smaller residue in the cassava milk. Okay, so next step is go to the tank for a little stay, and then go to the hydrocyclone. This machine is very important. Hydrocyclone can make the cassava more really good, and then the cassava milk will get out into the pillar centrifuge. Pillar centrifuge is it can make the cassava become more dry, and then go to the flash dryer to make it to the dry powder starch. Okay, so go to here, and then it can package, then it will go out, can be sealer. Okay, so welcome everyone. If you want to know something about the starch processing line or starch processing line or the cassava processing line, starch or powders, you can you can all ask me in the commentary, okay? Our company mainly deals in machinery of processing cassava powder such as cassava flour, cassava starch, fufu, and gari. First, let me introduce our company. We are affiliated in doing holdings. From 2011 year, it is an industrial diversity machinery manufacturing company. It has 6 corporate entities: Xinxiang doing renewable engineering equipment, Jiaozuo City doing machinery equipment, and also Henan doing environmental production technological, and also Henan Glory Oil Fights Engineering Company. And here is a company where I stay. It's Henan Jinrui Food Engineering, and Henan Doing Machinery Nigeria Limited with overseas warehouse. So if anyone needs any kind of machine, like the West machine, the oil fats engineering machine, you can contact me in the private way, okay? And our company is located in China, Zhengzhou, Henan Province, and the factory is located in Jiaozuo, Henan Province, and the factory is nearest to our company. It's very fast, about 40 minutes car drive. If you are interested in our machinery, you can leave a message in the comment way or send me your contact information in the private message. We will ask salesperson to provide you with a more detailed explanation, all types of production line, and the single equipment including cassava starch processing machine, cassava starch processing line. Okay? So let's continue to introduction this kind of processing line, okay? Here is for the potato starch and also cassava starch. We can use this picture to buy this kind of machine. And here is a cassava flour. Here is flour processing technology. Okay, look at this picture. It's different from the from the top one. And look at here is also beginning in a feeding hoover and ending in the flash dryer. So let's have a look. Feeding hoover, you put the cassava and then send it to the dry sieve to sieve out the debris on the cassava, and then put it in the paddle washing machine, and then go to the rasper and the cutting machine to make the cassava to the cassava milk and then it will go to the here is we have here is the cassava peeling machine. This machine is very important in the cassava flour line because the cassava have two kind of skin, so we need to peeling the cassava skin, and then the cassava will go to the rasper to make the cassava milk, and then go to the filter press or also the flat frame filter press it will press out the water, make the cassava flour more dry, and then go to this big flash dryer to make the flour be more drier, and then go to the shifter sieve to save the cassava flour more thin, and then it can packaging and go out for sale. Okay, so next, here is gari processing technology. Yes, look at here. Gari is a kind of powder of granulate food. It is produced from fresh cassava tubers, and the finished product is dry, edible granules. Gari is main edible food amongst the various nations of Nigeria, Benin Republic, Togo, Ghana, and Cameroon and Liberia. To make gari, cassava tubers are peeled, washed, and grated or crushed to produce a mash. After 2 or 3 days fermentation, the mash needs to be dehydrated. Then the mash can be mixed with or without palm oil and fried in the frying pot. After sieving, the final gari will be packed directly. The resulting dry granulate gari can be stored for long periods. Okay, so look at this picture. It's a 3D picture of gari production line. Yeah, first it is also send the cassava to the feeding hopper in here, and then go to the dry sieve machine, go to the paddle washing machine. Yes, this to washing the cassava, and then go to the peeling machine. This kind of food named the gari, so it also need to peeling the skin of cassava, and then it will go to the grinding machine to grinding the cassava into the small pieces or grinding it to the cassava milk. And here is another step. It is to make the cassava more fermentation in here, and then we can hydraulic press to press out the water in the cassava milk. Okay, and then go to the crusher machine to crush the maybe in here the cassava milk will become a kind of cassava pie, a big circle of the cassava, and then go to the crusher to make it to the very thin or small pieces, and then it will go to the gari fryer to make the gari dry, and then it will go to the vibration sieve and cooling system, and then it can go to the packing machine. So here is all the production of the gari line. Yes, if anyone need this kind of machine, and maybe we can sell all of them, all of this machine. And if you only want this like the hydraulic press, you can leave your message here, and also you can only buy the feeding hopper. We can outlet, and also we can sell it one by one. Cassava chips processing technology. Okay, so here dry cassava chips is easy to storage. It can also use the material of Henan production, animal feed production, and starch production. In Southeast year, the cassava harvest season is short, almost a half year. People cannot process cassava, so people will use cassava to make chips firstly, and then processing chips into different products all the year round. So our company made this machine named the cassava chips processing line. It is a very short processing line, right? You can see here is put in the hopper and then go to the dry sieve, and here is to cut the cassava into small pieces. The pieces is for 1 centimeter to 4 centimeter. It can be dry under the sun. Okay, so we will introduce the main machine. Okay, here is the dry sieve. This kind of dry sieve is widely used in impurities removal of starch production. It's effective removing dirty sand, small stones, weeds, and other impurities on the surface of potato, sweet potato, cassava. And then impurities multiple inner spirals design is adopted to push raw materials moving forward. Reasonable rotating speed guarantee machine running smoothly and make material free of damage. Appropriate parameters design of the equipment could be adjusted based on raw materials features. Simple structure, easy maintenance, and low power consumption. Yes, it's here. Cassava will go into here and it will shake it. Here is the technical parameters. Please have a look. Okay, next, this one is a paddle washing machine. Paddle washing machine here, let's have a look. It was mainly used in production of starch and cassava flour for washing the raw material. Adopt countercurrent washing principle. By the effect of pedal rolling, raw material flows in the converse direction against water current, which makes washing completely and eliminate sand and mud effectively. Reasonable fitting and combination arrangement ensure proper distribution of workshop. Stable operation and low material damage improves extraction rate of cassava processing. Easy handling, large capacity, engineering, saving and low water consumption. Hello, is anyone here in my live stream? Are you still here, Sang? And also the Rian? Are you still here? If you are still here, please let me know, okay? And I can introduce what you want. Next, here comes another washing machine. It's named the rotary washing machine, and mainly used in the cleaning process of potato material, especially in the full-set production line of sweet potato washing. Adopt countercurrent washing principle. Material flows in the opposite direction against the water in the cleaning tank, which makes washing completely with good efficiency by the effect of outer spirals pushing. Sediment and other impurities deposited between drum, outer wall, and tank bottom is discharged effectively. Reasonable fitting makes the damage of raw material below 1% to get high starch extraction rate. Optimal design of complete machine with large capacity, nice appearance, and lower power water consumption. Stable running will match the motor configuration, easy for installation and maintenance. And here is the cassava peeling machine. This machine is only used in the cassava peeling, and the function is mainly used for removing the layers of cassava tuber. Feature is that a full stainless steel body like this, and the sand roller design peeling rate is 95%. Match the water sparing system, better peeling and washing effect. Stable running, easy for installation and maintenance. Okay, so here is the cutting machine. The cutting machine is an ideal processing equipment for crops such as sweet crops, cassava, and kudus, root, and so on. It consists of function, mainframe cutters, blades, motor, and drive system, used for crushing of raw material. New design structure, easy accessibility and maintenance, high running speed, low energy consumption, and stable operation. Plus special design, it is very durable. Okay, have a look at these technical parameters. Let me drink some water. Hello, is anyone here? Is anyone in my live stream? Please let me know, okay? Oh, okay, here comes the rasper. Rasper is widely used in starch processing industry of crushing material. It has features of modern design, compact structure, high speed, high rasping efficiency, even particles, high extraction, and it's the achievement of Henan Jinrui Company cooperate with international advanced technology. Bidirectional rasper. The rasper part is a modular design, easy to change. Yes, this kind of blood it can change. We suggest you can change for 2 weeks. You can change for one time, and the blood is on it, and also bottom of the blood also have a kind of blood. You can change it to use like this. Here is blood, and here also have blood. You can use it for 2 times. Okay, and easy to change stainless steel parts which touch material. Special slot designed to replace the assembly of saw blades easily. Sweden SKF bearing and Germany Opit belt. Look at this machine. It is the very popular machine in our company, And here comes centrifuge sieve. Centrifuge sieve is mainly used to separate the fiber and the starch slurry. It is widely used in the extraction of corn or maize, wheat, and tuber starch, and so on. Main machine stainless steel structure with a special treatment on the equipment surface, oil resistance, and dirty proof. The precision grade of dynamic blast of sieve basket is G6.6 to ensure the stable operation. The machine with features of large handling capacity, reasonable drive system, high screening efficiency, and easy installation. The sieve basket is made of titanium plate with laser punching processing. Automatic front and back washing system to guarantee good screen penetration and ensure high efficiency operation of the equipment, low power consumption, stable operation, high starch extraction rate. Yes, it is the centrifuge machine. Centrifuge sieve. Okay, have a look. Here is the hydrocyclone station. Hydrocyclone station is used to move the fiber, protein, and cell sap out of the starch milk to concentrate the delicate scribing starch milk. Usually, full cyclone separation system includes concentrating, recovering, and washing. Hydrocyclone type made of the material of strengthened nylon. Computer design internal structure compact and elegant. Running stable operation easy. And you know that we need the 18th hydrocyclone in this hydrocyclone station. So next is vacuum filter. Vacuum filter is widely used for the starch dehydration medicine, food, chemical engineering, and other industries. All the parts contact with material are made of high-quality stainless steel. Rotating drum speed can frequency control. Cleaning of the drum is using intermittent automatic flushing filter slot equipped with reciprocating pedal sprayer to prevent starch deposition, and it is equipped with continuously adjustable level control. The watering machine is a pneumatic controlled scraping blood discharging, and the scraper is made of high hardness oil. Hello, so if anyone want to know something or you are interested in our machine, and also you have some question about what I said before or what I said now, you can contact me in the commentary or in a private way, okay? Leave your WhatsApp number, or you can add the WhatsApp number below here. It's in the yellow color. Working without noise, stable work, high working continuity, easy operation. Yes, this is a vacuum filter. And here comes the pillar centrifuge. Automatic siphon centrifuge is a solid liquid separation equipment which adopts continuous operation and intermittent discharging. It is widely used in processing of starch. Used for dehydration of starch slurry. Horizontal, automatically controlled, and auto scraper unloaded. Shorten separating time, increasing production capacity by 15%, and decrease moisture content to 36.5%. Parts contact with material apply stainless steel. And here comes the flash dryer. Look at this picture. The flash dryer not only applies to various kinds of food, potato starch drying, but also for corn and wheat starch drying, and it is also suitable for drying of other heat-sensitive powder or flake materials that need faster drying. The technical parameter of the whole process is strictly controlled according to the theoretical calculation. Which guarantees the moisture uniformity of the finished starch and the long-distance transportation. The short time of the material retention in the dryer tower and the high heat exchange rate could dry starch instantly. Stable operation, low energy consumption, small footprint, easy operation and maintenance. Okay, so look at this picture. If you want your starch or your powder be more drying, you can add another one of the drying system. Here is another one. It's second stage of the drying system, and it will dry the powder or the starch again to make the things you want is more drying. Okay, so here comes the automatic control system. This is the PLC and also the computer control part. If you want this kind of the automatic control system, I think it will make you to see the different number of the machine more clearly in the computer, and also you can save the laboratory, because you know that if you want to look at the feeding hopper maybe, and you can just wrote down what you want on the computer. You didn't need people to stay here to look at the potato to continually send to the next step, right? So here is the laboratory equipment. Oh, hammer crusher. This machine, you know that here the hammer crusher can change it to the cutting machine and the rasper machine. Because you know what, the hammer crusher is make the cassava to the cassava milk. It means that it will make the food more thin or change the things what they like. And the hammer crusher is a device use high-speed rotating knife to break the raw material into mush. It is mainly used for crushing potato, sweet potato, cassava, and so on. It mainly consists of shell, reducer, motor, rotating parts, and others. There are different models of choosing. Main features: low energy consumption, high capacity, strong broken, easy maintenance. Oh, here comes the cassava chips machine. This cassava chips machine is an efficient slicing device suitable for the slice of plant roast and steams. It is widely used for the slicing cassava. The main components include feed hopper, drum, cutter, discharge device, belt conveyor, which can be driven by electric motor of diesel engineering through the belt puller. This machine has features of low energy consumption, large capacity, adjustable slice thickness, easy operation, and easy maintenance. Hello, is anyone here? If you want to know about what I sell or what I introduction, you can leave your message in the commentary place. If I can look at it, I will have answer you.